housekeeping. Why you not want housekeeping? I am surprised by this. I am big African man. I can supply all you need. What do you like? Do you like bed linen? No. Do you like fresh towel? No. Do you like fresh bed linen? I have already said this. Heh heh heh. Come to me. I am like Baron Samedi. Do you want to talk to me? Your name is Darren. Clegg. Come. Darren Clegg.